Now, there are two constituencies which are being closely watched: Kingston Central and St. Mary's Southeastern. The latest information reaching our news center is that the JLP's Donovan Williams 4,832 to the PNP Superintendent Steve McGregor 4,753. This after all 80 boxes were recounted. Our reporter Ramarda Lyons is in central Kingston and filed this report earlier.
It's a waiting game here on South Camp Road for Jamaica Labour Party supporters as a recount is currently underway at Alpha Primary School for the Kingston Central constituency. On September 3, after the preliminary count, the People's National Party, Steve McGregor, beat the JLP's Donovan Williams by just 12 votes. The B supporters say after the recount, they are sure Mr. Williams will be victorious.
I'm out here from this morning, and only one result I expect. Donovan Williams will remain as our MP of Central Kingston. The best MP we have ever had in all my 49 years in Central Kingston. We don't want Steve McGregor.
And earlier you say you're not leave until...
No, I'm not leaving. I could have 10 o'clock tonight. We're not leaving. We are not leaving. We are here to support our MP, and that is what it is.
On September 3rd, when you heard that he was defeated by just 12 votes, what was going through your mind?
What was going through my mind? I know that it could not have lost. Only things in my achieved from him coming that consequences. I have lived there 48 years and I have never seen PNP work there.
Police presence also very noticeable, and at 4:25 p.m. celebrations followed after unconfirmed reports that Mr. Williams was ahead.
We are the best, and I tell you before, we, the Jamaica Labour Party, our candidate, we are calling our pro-God, it's moving, and we are victorious. Thank God for Jesus.
5:40 p.m. and supporters are still here. Police presence still noticeable, and on the compound of Alpha Primary School, members of Mr. Williams' team wait patiently as the recount continues. Now, Delroy Williams, a member of the Jamaica Labour Party and also a brother of Donovan Williams, is also on location. Mr. Williams, it's 6:33. We've been here since 3 o'clock this afternoon. What updates can you give us regarding the recounting?
Well, I can't give you any update. I'm outside here. I'm waiting for the final result to come out. But we are optimistic. As a matter of fact, we are very optimistic. We believe that things will go our way, and so we believe at the end of the day we will retain the seat. Kingston Central seat will be in the column of the JLP, but in terms of we can't say anything else, but we are optimistic that it will be.
No, up until news time, there have been no official updates regarding the recount, but the team will remain on the ground monitoring the situation and will provide more updates in subsequent newscasts. Ramarda Lyons reporting for TVJ News.